Hello and welcome to the Sat on My Butt channel. Now then, Balbo Beard Co, balbobeardco.co.uk produced one of my favourite beard soaps, and that is the sandalwood beard soap. And in fact it was the Balbo Beard Co and the sister company owned by Rhiannon Gurney, Magpie Hill, that got me to just using soaps and ditch all the nasty old shower gels, but I digress. Before Christmas, Rhiannon announced that she was going to stop her line of soaps that were currently made, and she was going to create a new recipe that would be palm oil free. Now, why did she do this? Well, as you remember, before Christmas, Iceland, I believe it was, brought out an advert with an orangutan who's out in the forest looking pretty sad that some miserable bugger's gone and torn down his territory to grow palm oil. It was a banned ad, and of course, because it was banned, it went viral. Now, the people involved were saying, no, please don't stop using palm oil. Please, please, please don't. Because we need to persuade people to use sustainably produced, is that the words? Palm oil. But the damage was already done. All people were out there with their banners and typing away on their keyboards, moaning about palm oil, not knowing that most of the products in their home actually contain it. And so Rhiannon really had no choice but to say, look, you know, this could affect business, and so what I'm going to do is create a soap without palm oil. She's also done this because even though she uses the sustainably sourced stuff, she's 100% not happy about using it in her products. I was a bit worried because these soaps lather beautifully even in the hard Essex water here, and I thought, no, we've lost a really good soap. However, Rhiannon sent me through a sample of the base of the soap and it lathered beautifully, nice creamy lather, and I was happy. And then she sent me through a bar of the sandalwood soap, which is 95 grams, will cost you £6.99 from balbobeardco.co.uk, and I don't think I can tell the difference, to be honest. These are handmade soaps using the cold press method, so from scratch, using all natural ingredients. They really are incredible. Got a lot of family members who now use the Magpie Hill soaps, and they will be slowly brought out. Rhiannon's obviously had to send these away to be assessed and get a cosmetic product safety report. I promise I'm not going off on one. I promise I'm behaving myself. So as they come back and she has the assessments for those, they will be brought online and will be available for sale. Go and check them out. balbobeardco.co.uk, palm oil free beard soaps. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Take care. Orangutans. I think it shed a tear.